Hello children, I hope you all are doing great. Today with this series I'm going to start with quizzes. Okay, and the first quiz that we are beginning with our Indian Constitution. So let's get started. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? And your options are Rajendra Prasad, Lala Lajpat Rai, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar or S.C. Sinha. The correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Now moving to the next question. What is the existence of more than one level of government in any country is called? And your options are democracy, federalism, monarchy, universal adult franchise. And the correct answer is federalism. Next question. Right to move freely falls under. Options are right against exploitation, right to freedom, right to speech or right to act. And the correct answer is right to freedom. Question is what the system of courts is collectively referred to as? And your options are Congress, judiciary, ministers or executive. And the correct answer is judiciary. Next question. I hope you're liking it and you're getting correct answers as well. All the best. Everybody is equal before law. What does this word fall under? And your options are right to speech, right to equality, right to vote, right to education. And your options are, and the correct answer is right to equality. Moving to next. Your question is, who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Your options are B.R. Ambedkar, C. Rajaji, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, S.C. Sinha. And the correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question is, in which year the Indian Constitution was finally completed? And your options are November 1950, January 1950, November 1949 or January 1949. The correct answer is November 1949. When is Indian Constitution Day celebrated? Your options are 24th January, 24th November, 26th November and 15th August. And the correct answer is 26th November. Which of the following day is also celebrated on Indian Constitution Day? That means on the same date. And your options are National Animal Day, National Cow Day, National Milk Day or National Milkman Day. And the correct answer is National. Which of the following were added later in our constitution out of the given option? And your options are socialist, secular, integrity or all of these. And the correct answer is all of these features were added later in our constitution. Now children, I'm sure you must have done very well in the quiz, and now please refer back to the quiz, and the key points are you must go with the key points which goes like these are the important key points to be learned for our constitution. So our constitution is the longest constitution in the world. The Constitution Day is also celebrated as National Law Day. Ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity have been taken from French Constitution. These ideas which are there in our constitution have been taken from French Constitution, and the concept of 5 years comes from USSR. Our preamble was inspired from US. We the people that we write, you must have heard of read and heard of this in our constitution, so that we have adopted from US Constitution. And our constitution, you will be surprised to know, was originally handwritten. It was not printed. It was not typed, it was not printed, it was handwritten by Shri Prem Bihari Narayan in both the languages, in Hindi and English. Do play the quiz again. All the best. Keep waiting for the next quiz. Thank you.